So you were out in the woods, wanted to put another chain on your saw. You pulled, well, I just dropped my socket. You pulled your cover off and went to replace your chain. And then now you can't get this cover to go back on like it's supposed to. Well, what happened was this chain brake was engaged. So I'll show you a little more about that. Y'all stick around. Welcome to Rayleigh's Small Engines. I'm T-Bone. So what happens with this brake engaged, it turns this, or if you pull it back, it'll turn this back, and there's a real heavy duty spring in here, and it engages this clutch band. And right now this thing is engaged, and when that's engaged, it tightens this band around your clutch and it stops that chain from turning. So with that engaged, you had to pry this to get this off, and now it won't go back on. I'm going to show you how to release this with a real simple trick. The first thing you can try, go ahead and take this bar and chain off, and let's get it out of the way. Sometimes you can get this to work. What you'll do, you'll see these cogs right in here on this handle which match with this. What you'll do is put your cover back on with no bar. Push your handle forward and hold this real tight with your thumb like this, and this will still be cockeyed because it can't go up there all the way because of that clutch band I showed you. Hold this real tight with your thumb and pull it. Look at there. We snapped it back. All right. See a snap back where it goes right up there where it's supposed to. Now, let's undo it. If I can undo it with this thing, hear it pop. Okay, still tied up on the clutch there. See what I'm talking about? It's tied up on the clutch. And you fought with this thing and fought with that thing to try to get it off of there. Push it with your thumb and reset it. Another trick you can do, I'll show you that too. You can take a 7/16 wrench, and here's another trick to get you some leverage. Let's move this. You can go right in here on this arm, and then let me reset it back right quick. But what you can do to get leverage on this wrench, what you're going to do is use this wrench to turn this piece right here. Hold your wrench in there, take another wrench, that's a 7/16 there. This is a 3/8 hook. That open end right there, you just made you another tool. And then, hear it pop back. Now that clutch band is engaged. It will not go back on that clutch. But what you'll do to reset this thing, I'm going to turn this around like this. Hook your wrench in and hold it right up on the edge of that thing. I'm going to hook my other wrench in, and then it's going to be tight, folks. See? And pop this back around. And I'm telling you, it's tight. See there? Now it's back released. When you're looking at the back side of this, this should be down. You can see this groove in here, the little bit of travel it has. But that should be down in order to get that unlocked. And now your cover should slide right back on easy. Folks, I hope this helps you guys out there, and y'all go get some wood cut, because I know it's getting cold weather. Got to have that firewood. So we thank you for watching. Click that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up, and come back to see us. I'm T-Bone, and we are Rayleigh's Small Engines. See you next time. 0 degrees outside. 0. Freezing rain, 15 miles an hour, hammering me in the face. I got my chainsaw going, meow, 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 cut Well, I guess then my chain get dull. Well, I got on my safety goggles with my 2.5787s, bifocals on so I could see, but you know what happened? You ain't gonna believe it. It still got me right above the eye.